A shocking number of Americans are in poor financial health. 88 of graduating college students have credit card debts before they have jobs, and 60% of Americans don't pay off their monthly credit card bills, and 49% of American families only have enough savings to last less than 1 month if they lose their household income. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey debunks modern myths about money and debt, and provides a proven step-by-step plan to help you become debt-free and wealthy. In this summary, we'll outline the foundations and 4-step plan for your Total Money Makeover. If you embrace these ideas and implement the steps consistently, you will become financially healthy and transform your life. Step 1. A $1,000 emergency fund. If you crash your car right now, could you even pay the mechanic in cash? Because most people can't. They'd have to use their credit card. According to Money Magazine, 78% of us will experience a major bad event in any given 10-year period of our lives. That's why Dave Ramsey's first step to getting on top of your finances is to save $1,000 and put it away in an emergency fund. Additionally, this teaches you 2 things. 1. It's okay to tackle your finances step by step. You can't start off with all of your debt, investments and savings at once, and that's okay. And secondly, it gives you the confidence that you can indeed save money, and it helps you approach the next step, which is 2. Start a debt snowball. If you have multiple debts, start by paying off the smallest one. If you form a small snowball and roll it downhill, it'll pick up more snow and thus more speed, growing quickly into a huge and powerful snow boulder. When you pay off your debt, you can use the same effect to your advantage. List all of your debt and order them by size, starting with the smallest. Then pay off the first one, and then the second one, and then the third one, and so on. Yes, and even that $10 phone bill or some money you owe a friend. The reason this snowball technique works is because starting off with the lowest bills will give you confidence that you need to make progress. Step 3. Save for a peace of mind fund. If your boss fired you tomorrow, could you even pay rent and food for the next 6 months? Or how about 3 months? No? Then I hope your alarm bells start ringing now. Dave Ramsey suggests saving up your peace of mind fund till it covers your basic expenses for anywhere between 3 and 6 months. For example, this is Bill. His rent is $1,000. He spends $300 on groceries, $100 on transportation, healthcare is $150, and other necessities are $100. This comes to a total of $1,650, and using Dave Ramsey's rule, Bill needs anywhere between $4,950 and $9,900. I personally think that this is the most important step. This step made it possible for me to buy a PC so that I could make animation videos on YouTube, because I knew that if anything went wrong, I would still have my peace of mind fund to fall back on. So how about dropping one of them blue likes, and don't forget to subscribe so you will never miss a video made by us. Step 4. Invest. Saving any more than 3 to 6 months of expenses on a savings account is unnecessary, and it's foolish because there are much better things you can do with your money. Dave tries to show you that you don't need big money to start investing towards big money. His investing strategy is geared towards newbies and can seem pretty boring. He suggests putting 15% of your income towards retirement, only recommending mutual funds and Roth IRAs. These funds are low risk and on average get between a 7 to 10% return on investment annually. Dave's principle, KISS, keep it simple stupid, is reflected here, as well as through the entire book. Another great way of investing is by investing in yourself. A great way of doing this is by listening to audiobooks on your commute or in the morning at breakfast. You're able to lose money, but with the right knowledge, you can always make more. Check out the links below for a free Audible trial with a free audiobook and the books I recommend. Or to learn more, get Dave Ramsey's book. We are a new YouTube channel and we'll be giving you bite-sized summaries about productivity, personal finance and psychology. We are well on our way to our first 100 subscribers and we hope you will join us. We sincerely hope that you got some value out of this video. Thank you for watching and good luck at being better.